Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install MinGW w64 on Windows 11 and 10. All right, so let's begin with the video. To install MinGW on Windows, start by downloading the installer from a trusted source. Simply go to this website. I will provide the link in the description. Once you are on this website, click on this download button to download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow the setup steps. During installation, note the install location as you'll need it later. Click through the prompts and let the installation complete, then click Finish. After installation, open the MSY-S2 terminal. It may launch automatically, or you can search for MSY-S2 in the Start menu. In the terminal, run the required update or install command. Simply go ahead and paste this command in to MSY-S2 prompt window and press Enter. When prompted, press Y and hit Enter to proceed. Wait for the installation to complete, then close the terminal. Next, navigate to the install directory you noted earlier. Once you're here, open the folder named UCRT64 similar, then go into the bin folder. Copy the full path of this folder. Now, go back to Homepage and search for Environment Variables in Windows and edit the System Environment Variables. Here, click on Environment Variables. Now, find the path variable and click Edit. Click on New to add a new entry and paste the path you copied. Save all changes. Now, if you don't see path folder here, what you can do is simply click on New here, and then you have to enter the name path with capital P, and here you just have the path you just copied. And by this way, you can easily create your own path folder. Finally, verify the installation. Simply go to search bar and open command prompt and type GCC -- version and press enter. Now, if you see something like this, that means everything is fine and you installed it correctly. Then type G++-- version and press enter. Again, if you see something like this, that means you have correctly installed MinGW on your computer, and that's it. So that's basically how you can install MinGW w64 on Windows 11 and 10. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.